Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's El Jefe Sobe here. That's ELJEFESOBE on Instagram, and that is also my YouTube channel as well. Please subscribe and click that notification bell so you know when I put up a new video, y'all can watch it and make some good food. Wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy Holidays. I want to do some, pretty cold up in Minnesota where I'm from, so wanted to do a kebab. A little different. I mean, it's not Christmassy, but hey, I love them. They're super easy to do. Soak the bamboo skewers in water is what I've done right now, and then we just have to cut up some vegetables and some fruit. I did some pineapple, zucchini, some red pepper, red onion, and then before that I'm going to cut up some chicken thighs and put them in a little bit of pineapple juice and some soy sauce to kind of get the marinade going, and then we'll skewer them up, cut everything, and we'll put them on the grill. And then I made a glaze before. It was a sweet soy glaze, which is 1 part soy sauce, 1 part brown sugar, and then you can use some garlic and some scallions as well, probably about a tablespoon of garlic, and cut up pretty much a whole stalk of some scallions. Put that in a pot, reduce it by half, or let's reduce it by 3/4. So you know what? Let's do half. Keep on changing it up. That way it'll get a little sticky, and then we can brush those on the chicken kebabs when we start to cook them, because they're gonna be freaking awesome. So yeah, without further ado, let's start it up. All right, let's go ahead and cut up the chicken thighs. Like I said, these are boneless, skinless, right here. So let's do some pretty big chunks so they stay on the skewers pretty good. So about that is pretty good. Like so, and then I will just finish up with those. Now let's start with a half cup of soy sauce. Put that in there. 6 ounces of pineapple juice. This will help tenderize it too. And then we'll just mix that up and let that sit. And it'll soak up all those nice soy sauce and pineapple flavors into the chicken. Alrighty, seal that up. Put this in the refrigerador. That's refrigerator in Spanish. Now let's start cutting up the vegetables. Zucchini, cut this in half. Yeah, let's cut this in half again. And then we'll cut it one more time. And take these ribs out, just like so. If you don't take the ribs out, it'll get pretty mushy, and then these zucchini will probably fall off on the skewers, and it's just not a good part of it. And then I'll probably just go some nice even lengths, like so. Not gotta be perfect. So we can skewer it up, grab the red bell pepper. Some people have the tendency just to go straight down, but that just adds a lot of work. So I take the ends off, like so. Then grab your knife, go straight down, lay it on the side, and then just go straight through. You'll get this whole piece. And the rest of this is garbage. And I'll just cut some nice uniform, kind of the same size as those, like so. And then, boom. Pretty simple. Not too bad. Like so. Okay, we got those. Let's get a plate to put all this stuff on so you don't clutter it. I'm all about trying to work neat in the kitchen. We'll put those there, and then it makes it just easier to grab each part when you are putting the kebabs together. Then you just grab your onion, red onion, you can use white onion, whatever kind of onion you want to use. Oh, this one doesn't look very good. Take the skin off, like so. Cut this right in half. In half again. Take those off. Yeah, this one doesn't, I can't really use all, well, I guess I can. Cut this in half again. Maybe start to cry a little bit because this onion is freaking vicious. Oh, jeez. I can save these for later. Yeah, I don't like the look of that. I'll just go ahead and cut like so. Oh, jeez, onion is vicious, man. Oh. Crying over here making some freaking delicious kebabs when I shouldn't be. Alright, got that. We'll put that on there. Then last thing is the pineapple. Take out the sides. Like so. Cut this in half. Cut it in half again. And take out the core. Save this for another day. Got a little bit of the rind on it. That's not a big deal. Just cut it off. Like so. And there we go. Those are the simple ingredients you need for the chicken kebabs. And we'll just have to put them together. All right, here's the glaze for the, you know, you can, my sweet soy glaze that you call it, or kind of a Kobe sauce, a Korean or Korean soy, sweet soy sauce. So without further ado, let's start out. So I got a cup of soy sauce, put it right in the pot, followed by a cup of brown sugar. Doesn't have to be exact. That right in. And then scallions over here. The ends off. They're very, 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 very thin. Like so. That right in the pot. Probably 3 to 4 tablespoons, or half of that bunch. That right in the pot. Grab some garlic. Sometimes it's easier just to get this sliced up. You don't have to. You can do it yourself. Sometimes just a little bit easier. So about a tablespoon of garlic. Then pretty much we'll just put this. You can also add some ginger too to this. If you'd like, and then you can always kick it up too if you wanted some chai chili flakes, crushed red pepper or whatnot. I'll leave it just simple like this. You guys can do whatever you want to it if you want to make it hot or not. So just go ahead and put this right on the stove, and then reduce it until it gets kind of a glaze form. So without further ado, let's get on the stove. Now let's start off by, I mean, not rocket science, but just putting the good old. So these were soaked for about an hour. Just Bamboo skewers, you can find them at Target. You can find them pretty much anywhere. So let's put some pineapple. Let's do 2 pineapple, an onion, and let's grab some of the chicken, like so. Put it right on the skewer, and just keep on repeating that process. like so, and then just keep going. We'll speed this up just for time's sake. Guys, as you see here, our sauce is done. It's not too thick, still is very hot, so it will thicken up too, but we'll go ahead, take our kebabs and go to the grill and start grilling. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of hungry. All right, so we got everything ready to go. Some of them I did. Vegetarians, if you got any vegetarian people out there, you can definitely use that. And then just easy, just put a little cracked pepper on it. You won't need any salt. That soy sauce has plenty. We'll just mix these around a little bit. Flip them over. Follow it with pepper on that side as well. And I also did put a little bit of olive oil on it so they wouldn't stick, or sorry, peanut oil. Let's go ahead and just put these on the grill. Like so, we got one with a bunch of meat. There's cookies on both sides till they get, 3/4 of the way done, and then we'll start brushing it with the sweet soy glaze. Oh, nice. Got some nice grill marks going. It's cooking pretty well. Probably get another 3 minutes. The chicken thighs take a little bit longer, and then we'll start glazing them with the sweet soy glaze. You gotta be really careful after you glaze them. You watch them super quick, or the sugar get burned pretty quickly. Go ahead and finish all those up. Alright guys, I'm finally done with the chicken kebabs, and I just did a simple plating. I'll show you here. So I just did a, well, this is actually sushi rice. And I will give you a little guys tease that I'm going to be making some sushi. I just wanted to perfect a little bit. But it's actually sticky. It's pretty sticky too, so works good for the kebabs. So here's how they turned out. They look amazing. Just garnished with a little bit of black sesame seeds and some more scallions. Oh, these look amazing. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, that would be awesome, and follow me on Instagram. Anything you want me to cook, I got you, all right? Peace out, guys.